Ever wondered if those cherished Snapchat memories in My Eyes Only are truly gone forever? What if I told you there's a simple process to recover those deleted pictures? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets. Let's keep this video concise and straightforward. Here's how you can start the process. Open Snapchat. And in the top left corner, click on your profile. Look for the Settings button and open it. Scroll down until you reach the Support section. Click on I Need Help. This will take you to the support page. In the search bar, type My Eyes Only. Hit search and scroll down to find I Lost Snaps Saved to My Eyes Only. After clicking, read the provided paragraph. Although it claims they can't help, don't be discouraged. Click on Was this article helpful and select No. Close the pop-up and at the bottom, click This article did not answer your questions or solve your problems and submit it. Now, here's where you initiate direct contact. Look for the Contact Us button that appears after submitting. If it is not appearing, click on 3 lines at the top right corner. Now click on Contact Us, and you'll be directed to a Submit a Request page. Choose You Need Help with a Snapchat feature. Further down, select The feature is Memories. Still needs help. Click on Yes, specifying that it's about My Eyes Only. Fill in your username, email, and a description for your request. Feel free to use a sample paragraph like this. I will also attach it in video description. Add your username and email, then submit the request. Remember, respond promptly to any emails from Snapchat requesting additional information. This simple process will help you recover your photos. If you found this video helpful, check out our YouTube channel for more content. Bye for now.